Rakovica, the continental destination rich in beautiful landscapes and speleological structures, which is situated in the southern part of Karlovac region, on the halfway from Zagreb to the Adriatic Sea. As the city, it has been known since the Middle Ages. This area was later destroyed by Turkish conquest, but the great change for the better in Rakovica began when the liberating war against Turkish occupation started. This happened at the end of the 17th century. When finally Turks were banished out of this area, new historical development of Rakovica, as a new founded city, began. That new city was frontier region with Turkish Bosnia, which meant it was a military commune, where citizens had a military obligation to serve on the frontier line. Inhabitants lived mostly of farming, cattle breeding, retailing, traffic and military salaries. In its later history, Rakovica became popular for its so-called Rakovica Rebellion, 1871, which was led by Eugen Kvaternik, whose final cause was autonomy and independence from Austro-Hungarian Empire rule. So the primary school in Rakovica was named after him, and beside that the monument in his honor decorates the center of the city Rakovica. After the World War II, actually during the 60s of the 20th century, traffic and touristic affirmation of this area started by building the road. Such development, unfortunately, was ended by the Croatian War of Independence, when this area was occupied again and was systematically and deliberately destroyed. But not earlier than the year 1995, the rebuilding of family houses, religious and business facilities started. Tourism has been one of the basic mover of the economic and social development in this district. Small agricultural and rural economic forms have started to grow, same as the branches of cow, sheep and goat breeding. Famous and unforgettable boiled cheese and cheese known by the name škripavac have been produced here specially for tourists, as one of the original and native products. Gastronomic offering in the area of Rakovica district is very rich and qualitative. Ordered meals, grilled meals, baked meals, trout prepared in many ways and supreme pizzas will be served by hospitable waiters in nicely decorated interiors or on the terraces of restaurants in Rakovica. the same time, this is one of the reasons why Rakovica is the destination that accomplishes the biggest number of the nights spent in the continental part of Croatia. You can look for an accommodation at the private renters. There are 104 registered households that kind, which dispose mostly with an accommodation of the first category. Except rooms and apartments, the quality accommodation offer also 5 quarters for the night, a hotel and 2 car camping sites. In the car camping site called Korana, which is an arranged location placed on the area of 35 acres, 550 camp, site tents, trailers and 10 campers can be accommodated. Beside these facilities, this camp also offers 47 bungalows, a restaurant, a cafe bar, a shop and a summer stage. The car camping site Korana is open since Easter till the beginning of October. There you can also find another car camping site which is situated on the crossroads towards Bosnia and Herzegovina, but this one is of a minor accommodation capacity. Nursing tradition can be seen in the performance of the local cultural and artistic associations that try to promote and rebuild folklore values of Rakovica by transferring the songs, dances, and other customs in the young generations. If you walk along the deep canyon of the small river Korana, all the ruins of the old town Adriatic, which was mentioned in the 11th century for the first time, you can easily learn how this place was being developed throughout the history. And the fortress in Adriatic was declared as the world's protected cultural site. A small part of Rakovica